Mainit na balita dito sa Balitang Hali.
Ang Bear Brand Junior 1 Plus, 195 pesos lang ang 400 grams. Also available in 2.4 kilograms. The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health. Bear Brand Junior 1 Plus.
Walang time mag-skincare.
Girl, 2 steps lang yan.
With Pond's Glow Duo. Step 1, cleanse with foam. Step 2, moisturize with cream. Get bright glowing skin in just 2 steps. It's easy with Pond's Glow Duo.
Ma, nagluto ako ng adobo.
Lasang toyo nga lang.
Na, gamitin mo kasi secret ko.
Add Knorr Chicken Cubes. May sarap ng isang buong manok, kaya meaty sarap ang adobo.
Ang sarap, kuya.
Parang nandito ka lang, Ma.
Knorr.
Op. Isiskip mo ba ang milk na tama for his age? Don't skip Nido 3 Plus. It helps give total expert protection for toddlers na mas exposed sa sakit. Dahil love mo, don't skip Nido 3 Plus.
May mga nakaligtas po. Isa na po roon ang nanay niyo si Alma.
Hanapin ko nanay ko. Kailangan niya malaman na buhay din ako at patuloy na lumalaban.
Matanda ka na. Kulubot na balat mo. Amoy lupa ka na!
Black Rider, 9:40 p.m. sa GTV.
Sam doesn't really know her husband. Paano kaya kapag nalaman niya ang ginawa ni Paco 5 years ago?
Aalis ka! I'm gonna kill myself!
I will go to your funeral.
When you realize na hindi mo kilala ang taong pinakasalan mo, Widow's War.
May isang Amerikana na kinidnap.
They're sending an ex-Marine to get her. But things will soon get complicated. Direct Contact, Tuesday, 8 p.m. on GFlix, on GTV. Walang tigil ang balitaan. Sabado at Linggo, kasama sina Pia Arcangel, Ivan Mayrina, at Nelson Canlas. 24 Oras Weekend.
With GMA Now. Libreng manood ng paboritong GMA shows habang nakapila. Sa biyahe. During break time sa school. Dahil wala itong bawas sa load. May ibang features pa. Kaya watch TV on the go for free with GMA Now. Get yours now.